Well, the Battlewagon 4 project is underway because I spent some money today and the truck is not ready to come back here to Gear Report headquarters yet. I mean, it's ready. It's just got to get on the trailer. But I did get a bunch of parts that you can see, mirrors and a fuel pump and service kits and all sorts of gaskets and antenna bases and transmission box and overflow, and there's a top back there. And here's probably the part I'm most excited about. I have not loved these when I've sat in before, but I've never tried, like for any extended period of time. Ruben has let me drive his some of his Damage Control Customs Humvees where he has these Mastercraft seats in them, and he loves them. And the back seats, I think, are amazing because they fold up when they're not in use. You bolt the back on, and the front, we're going to see how this works. I think they look amazing, and they're pretty comfortable when you're in them. But they've not always been my favorite. So we're going to see what I think about those. But I got these four kind of set out here beside the Battlewagon 3 that's still here. So probably it's going to be a couple days, 2-3 days before the Battlewagon 4 gets here. Battlewagon 3 is still going to be here. So we're going to have both of them here. So that means I can strategically rob parts off of that to put on the new one and swap things around. And I'm going to try to make this one a little bit less expensive so it'll sell quicker, because it's been an amazing project and it's a great truck. But I'm ready for a new project. So we have parts for the new project here just waiting on the truck. What do you think?